In a dramatic turn of events, China has struck back forcefully following a sharp U.S. ultimatum aimed at curbing Chinese tech expansion and trade dominance. The retaliation has already triggered a $17.2 billion market crash and ignited global financial panic. The crisis began when U.S. officials issued a hardline demand that China halt exports of key semiconductors and rare earth materials or face sweeping sanctions. The ultimatum, delivered through diplomatic back channels, was intended to restrict Beijing's influence over global tech supply chains, particularly in AI, batteries, and 5G infrastructure. But Beijing wasted no time in responding. Within 24 hours, China announced a total export ban on gallium and germanium, two critical elements used in advanced electronics, solar panels, and military systems. The move sent shockwaves through international markets. U.S. and European tech stocks nosedived, with chip makers like Intel, Nvidia, and AMD losing billions in value. The Nasdaq fell 600 points, wiping out $17.2 billion in just one trading day. China's Ministry of Commerce declared, "We will not tolerate coercion. Any hostile action will be met with equal or greater force. China will defend its technological sovereignty with absolute resolve." Global markets reeled. Japan and South Korea convened emergency economic meetings, while Germany called the situation an escalating crisis with dangerous consequences for global supply chains. The White House issued a brief, cautious statement urging calm but did not walk back its demands. Instead, officials claimed China's retaliation proved the U.S. was right to act. However, backlash is building at home. Top U.S. manufacturers and tech leaders are warning of disruptions across industries, from smartphones to electric vehicles and aerospace. "This isn't just a trade spat anymore," said an executive at Tesla. "This is a tech Cold War, and we're all collateral damage." Meanwhile, Wall Street analysts warn of broader contagion as supply shortages drive inflation fears, trigger global sell-offs, and deepen geopolitical uncertainty. The U.S. threw down the gauntlet. China picked it up and swung back hard. What began as a warning has turned into a global showdown, and the world is bracing for what comes next.